You want to start crypto trading? That's great. But listen to this. 80% of beginners lose their money within the first month. Not because they picked a wrong coin, but because they never had a plan. And in this video, I'm going to give you the complete starter blueprint to set up your account, to secure your funds, and trade safely. Let's get into it. So then, what's the first step in setting out on this trading journey? The first step is actually choosing a Fiat-to-Crypto exchange. This is actually a platform that enables you to buy cryptocurrency using your fiat currency. Let me explain a bit about these two terminologies. Cryptocurrency is the digital money like Dogecoin, Solana, USDT, I mentioned them, Bitcoin, all those. And then fiat currency is actually the physical money that you interact with physically. If you're in Africa, we could actually be talking of Kwacha, Rand, Cedis, Pula, mention them. So now after you've picked this one, the next step is choosing a trading platform. Now, the things that you need to bear in mind when choosing a trading platform include the following. The trading platform should have a high liquidity, right? And then it should offer multiple trading pairs. I've actually dedicated a video to trading pairs where I've actually broken down what they are. A trading platform should offer you an opportunity of trading hundreds of altcoins. Now, here's the thing. I could actually spend the entire video talking about how to select the right exchange, but I've done a separate video where I just dedicated my time explaining some of the things that you need to consider for you to select the right exchange. But here are a few things that you need to consider. Number one, security. Does that exchange offer 2FA, that is two-factor authentication? Then number two, validity. Is it supported in the country where you are based? Okay. Then number three, reputation. What are people saying about this exchange? Okay, you can actually check for these on Play Store. Then number four, the fees. That is the trading and withdrawal fees. Whenever you actually push a trade, there is a fee that is actually charged. So is it too high or too low? Those are things that you need to watch out for. Even when you're withdrawing, are the fees way too high, whereby whatever profits you make are consumed by the trading as well as the withdrawal fees? So those are the few things that you need to look at, okay? Now, before you jump in, here are the 4 golden rules. Rule number 1, keep note of the market trends. Don't just buy or sell because others are doing so, but observe the trends. Number 2, only invest what you're capable of losing. Remember, the crypto market is always volatile. This should always help you keep your emotions in check. Then number 3, manage your risks. Use tools like stop loss and take profits to know when to exit. Then number 4, do your own research. Never take random opinions, but do your own research. Research the project before you think of actually investing. Now, to wrap up this video, let me say this. The crypto market is volatile, but presents a huge opportunity. As a beginner, take your time to study the market. Disclaimer, this is general guidance and not financial advice. If you want a deep dive on choosing the safest exchange, I want you to click the video next and make sure that you subscribe to this channel so as never to miss on any video that I'll be rolling out on crypto education in the nearby future. Until next time, shalom, shalom.